You guys trying to get to my laptop case?
Maybe. Maybe not.
I have a laptop case that's
It's a nest.
right here. And they like to come back here behind the towel and treat it like it's a nest.
It is a nest, Dad.
But Daddy don't like it because they like to chew on things. Come here, honey.
I don't chew on nothing, Pops.
Yeah, but I'll put you in there.
Yippee.
Just because I'm a nice guy. Boop. Oh, did Daddy boop your butthole? Did Daddy boop your butthole? Come here, honey. Come here, Seven. Here's Seven.
Yay, finally.
You go in there too? Okay, I'm going. Oh, you caught me. You caught me, you little goose. I love you so much.
Close the door, Seven.
I love you so much. You're so funny. Look at him try to close the door. Alright.
Alright, my peeps. Have a beautiful day.
I'll play along. Okay, there you go.
Bye, guys.
What a little cutie pie.